Kilala na to sa inyo ang mga players. Unahon ta ang players from Barangay Trapiche. Wearing jersey number 23, Raymar Taho. Liyog patunga. Uway siya. Wala Taho. Jersey number 73, Pete Dao. Wearing jersey number 16, Kaire Igaran. Wearing jersey number 28, Kenneth Tondo. Wearing jersey number 21, John Michael Concepcion. Wearing jersey number 27, Pete Andre Cobreros. Wearing jersey number 1, Dan Mondia. Wearing jersey number 18, Carl Tondo. Wearing jersey number 12, Kenneth Guijaro. Wearing jersey number 10, John Carl Ligarde. Wearing jersey number 15, Raven Villarreal. Wearing jersey number 30, Roel Cuenca Jr. Wearing jersey number 37, Eddie Davila Jr. Wearing jersey number 33, Kevin Tondo. And wearing jersey number 0, Chito Dale Ligarde. Coach, assistant coach, Gabriel Cuenca, head coach Christopher Cuenca, and team manager Fernando Espinosa, advisor coach Raywell Boy Intona, and SK chairperson Mary Christine Espinosa. So good luck, players from Barangay Trapiche. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the players from Barangay Calamisan. Wearing jersey number 8, Clemen Sase. Wearing jersey number 21, Dexter Bacaldo. Wearing jersey number 23, Leo Baltazar. Wearing jersey number 4, Prince Mar Mapa. Wearing jersey number 2, Jeric Opinion. Wearing jersey number 30, Sian Espirito. Wearing jersey number 11, Rico Jan Tambalo. Wearing jersey number 22, Archie Valencia. Wearing jersey number 12, Archie Majapon? Archie Valencia. Wearing jersey number 27, Rayo Jose Tachagon. Wearing jersey number 32, Ronel Portillo. Wearing jersey number 28, Jason Valencia. Wearing jersey number 24, John Eric Tauro. Wearing jersey number 20, Joven Valencia. Sino pang kulang? Si Cleven Sase, ano na? Cleven Sase, ano na? And wearing jersey number 8, jersey number 3, Alvin Dale Valencia. May kulang pa, why na? Coach. Coach Albert Plazuela, Assistant Coach Vinje Salarda, Team Manager Honorable Aaron Biblioteca, NSK Chairperson Honorable Irene Alcala. Alright, before kita mag-umpisa, may mga final instructions and final briefing ang aton nga officials.
Tama, aos na aos.
Wala ba? Buhay lang. Anong usap lang din? Ay kami din. Diba?
Murai, ke jalan Murai.